E and F are considered compound inequalities because it's a chain. Whatever you do to one portion, you have to do to the other two portions. So in part E, solving for the variable, we're going to work outside in. We're going to first add 3. So we get 7 is less than 2x is less than or equal to 12. And to finish solving for x, we're going to divide everything by 2. Since 2 is positive, no need to change signs. So we get 7 halves is less than x is less than or equal to 6. So set builder, just plop it in there, the set of all x, such that 7 halves is less than x is less than or equal to 6. When it's written like that, notice that x is between 7 halves and 6. So on our graph, we shade in between 7 halves and 6. But at the 7 halves end of things, there's no equal sign, so that side gets a parenthesis. However, on the 6 end of things, there is an equal sign, so that side gets a bracket. So we'll say parenthesis 7 halves, comma 6 bracket. Now, unfortunately for F, we're going to have a little bit more fun with this one. We'll first distribute that that negative 2 through. And again, working outside in, we'll add 2 to take care of the constant first. And now we'll divide everything by negative 2, but blah, 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 blah. We have to change the sign in the inequality. The bad thing about this is that it's hard to read. Because now notice the bigger number is on the left and the smaller number is on the right. So if you want to, and I do encourage you to do this, is to flip everything around. It's not necessary, technically, for set builder notation, but it'll make your graph and your interval notation a lot easier. Because the graph from left to right, here's the negative 17 halves. Here's the negative 6. That's really 2 down there, believe it or not. We'll shade in between like before, with brackets on both sides this time. And interval notation, negative 17 halves, comma, negative 6.